Imagine yourself performing at peak levels in just 20 minutes. Welcome to the world of high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. A perfect blend of intensity and efficiency. HIIT is a workout strategy that alternates short periods of intense exercise with less intense recovery periods. This dynamic approach is designed to maximize fat burn, supercharge your cardiovascular health, and fit perfectly into even the busiest of schedules. Picture this. You're on a time crunch, but still, you manage to squeeze in a HIIT workout. You're pushing yourself to the limit, heart pounding, sweat dripping. Then, you're easing off, catching your breath, preparing for the next burst of intensity. It's a dance of exertion and recovery, a symphony of sweat and perseverance. The result? An exceptional calorie burn, improved heart health, and a metabolism that keeps burning fat even after you're done working out. And all it takes is 20 minutes of your day. Now, are you ready to experience the magic of HIIT? Stay tuned. Before diving into the workout, understanding the structure of HIIT is crucial. So, what exactly is HIIT? Standing for high-intensity interval training, HIIT is a fitness approach that alternates between periods of intense exercise and short rests. These short, intense bursts of exercise aim to push your body to its limit, followed by brief recovery periods that keep your heart rate elevated and the calories burning. Think of it as a fitness seesaw, with one side representing intense activity and the other, rest. You'll tip the seesaw back and forth, finding balance between exertion and recovery. This is the essence of HIIT. Now let's talk about our HIIT workout. This is a beginner-friendly routine designed to introduce you to the world of high-intensity training without overwhelming you. The best part? You don't need any fancy equipment to get started. Your body weight alone will provide the resistance needed to challenge your muscles and boost your heart rate. Before we jump in though, let's discuss the importance of warming up. A good warm-up primes your body for the workout ahead, increasing your heart rate and circulation. This, in turn, loosens up your joints and increases blood flow to your muscles, reducing the risk of injury and making your workout more effective. So don't skip it. Even a simple routine involving light jogging in place, arm circles, or jumping jacks can make a world of difference. In the end, remember that HIIT is all about pushing your limits, but also listening to your body. It's not about perfection, but progress. So if you find a particular exercise too challenging, feel free to modify it. The key is to keep moving, keep pushing, and most importantly, keep breathing. So are you ready to embark on this fitness journey? To feel your heart pounding, your muscles burning, and your body growing stronger with each passing second? With the ground rules set, it's time to kickstart your HIIT journey. With your heart rate up and your body warmed, it's time to dive into the first half of the HIIT session. Let's kick things off with jumping jacks, a classic cardiovascular powerhouse. Imagine your body as an X, ready to spring into action. As you jump, spread your legs wide and swing your arms above your head, then bring them back to your sides as you close your legs. This full body movement gets your heart pumping and muscles engaged, setting the pace for the workout ahead. After a short, active rest, we'll move on to squats, an excellent lower body exercise. Start with feet shoulder-width apart, toes pointing slightly outwards. Lower your body as though you're about to sit on a chair, keeping your chest up and your back straight. Push through your heels to rise back up to a standing position. It's crucial to maintain good form and prevent any undue strain on your knees. Squats not only work your quadriceps and glutes, but they also engage your core, making them a fantastic total body exercise. Following another brief rest, we'll get down on the floor for push-ups. Don't worry if you can't do a full push-up yet, beginners can start on their knees. Place your hands slightly wider than shoulder-width apart and lower your body until your chest almost touches the floor. Push your body back up to the starting position. Push-ups are a great upper body workout, targeting your chest, shoulders, and triceps. The key to HIIT is maintaining intensity through each workout interval. It's not about how fast you can complete each exercise, but rather how consistently you can maintain your effort. Don't worry if you need to take a few extra seconds of rest or modify an exercise to suit your fitness level. What matters is that you're pushing yourself and making every second count. Remember, it's not about speed, it's about maintaining your best effort throughout each interval. Let's keep that energy up as we move into the second half of our HIIT session. Moving on to the second half of the workout, remember to keep your energy high and your movements precise. Like a symphony of movement, the next part of our full-body HIIT workout flows from one exercise to the next. We start with the power-packed burpees. This full-body explosion of energy is not just a calorie burner, but also a great way to work multiple muscle groups at once. Just remember, the key is to maintain a steady rhythm and keep your core engaged. Next, we transition into lunges. This exercise targets your legs and glutes, but don't be fooled. It's also a test of balance and coordination. As you lunge, keep your back straight, your gaze forward, and your knees aligned with your toes. Remember, it's not about speed, it's about precision. Then, we're on to high knees. This high-intensity exercise is like running in place, but with an added twist. The goal is to drive your knees as high as you can, as fast as you can. It's a great cardio workout and a brilliant way to boost your heart rate. In between these exercises, take a breather. Resting intervals are just as important as the workout itself. They allow your body to recover, preparing you for the next bout of high-intensity exercise. But don't let your guard down. Keep your body warm, your mind focused, and your spirit fired up. Remember, the essence of HIIT is in maintaining intensity. It's not about how long you can go, but how hard you can push yourself. It's about challenging your limits, breaking through barriers, and unleashing your inner strength. So even as the sweat drips and your muscles scream for mercy, keep going. And as we approach the end of this 20-minute workout, don't let the intensity wane. Keep pushing, keep moving, keep sweating. You're stronger than you think, capable of more than you know. And there you have it, the full 20-minute HIIT workout. But the journey doesn't end here. Now that you've completed your first HIIT workout, let's talk about how to maximize your gains. The journey to a healthier, fitter you doesn't end when the timer stops. It's a continuous process that extends beyond your workout routine. One key element to maximizing the benefits of your HIIT sessions is the cool-down exercise. It may be tempting to skip this part, but trust me, your body will thank you if you don't. Cool-down exercises help to gradually lower your heart rate, reduce muscle stiffness and soreness, and prevent injury. So, don't rush off the mat just yet. Spend a few minutes stretching, breathing deeply, and letting your body adjust from the intense workout. Another crucial factor is hydration. Your body loses water through sweat during exercise, and it's essential to replenish that loss. Staying hydrated not only aids in recovery, but also improves performance for your next session. So make it a habit to sip on water before, during, and after your exercises. Let's not forget about nutrition. A balanced diet is the fuel that drives your fitness journey. Consuming a mix of proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats helps repair and build muscles, maintain energy levels, and overall enhance your workout results. Remember, your food choices can either make or break your fitness goals. Consistency, as with anything, is key. It's not about how hard you can go in one session, but how consistently you can keep at it. As your fitness level improves, challenge yourself by gradually increasing the intensity of your workouts. Remember, it's your journey, so go at your own pace. And that brings us to the end of today's session. Remember, the journey to fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep up with your HIIT workouts, and you'll see the transformation you desire. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to tune in for more fitness tips and tricks. Before we wrap up, we have a quick request. If you found this 20-minute full-body HIIT workout helpful, or think someone else might, don't hesitate to hit that like button. It's a small act, but it goes a long way to help us create more content for you. And if you haven't done so already, why not share this video with a friend or two? Perhaps they're also looking for an effective, no-equipment workout to kickstart their fitness journey. Now, if you'd like to keep up with more of our content, be it more HIIT workouts, fitness tips, or health advice, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It's entirely free and ensures you won't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. And for those of you who want to be the first to know when a new video drops, do hit that notification bell. Remember, every step counts in your fitness journey. Stay strong, stay fit, and see you in the next video.